If you are a content creator, one thing you need to master is how to edit your content. Either you are a content creator on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram, wherever at all, one thing you need to master is how to edit your content, how to make this content so crisp. Even if you're not using the best of the best camera. Currently I'm filming with an iPhone 11, not one of the best, but you can actually see the quality of this videos. So I just want to show you guys in this video how I edit my videos on Capcut. Currently I am making this video with just one source of artificial light. I have just one source of artificial light by this corner. I don't have anything here, nothing behind me, and the video is still looking this crisp. This is exactly what I want to share with you all. I have promised to do this, and here we are. Let's just go on to our Capcut. I'm going to take my face off the screen so that you can concentrate and see the way you are going to trim, adjust, make your video looks good, add different type of effects if you want to, and just up your editing game. So let's go straight into it. So first things first, you need to go install the Capcut app on your phone. This Capcut app is both on your Play Store and your App Store, depending on the device you're using, right? So once you open it up this way, you can see where it's written new project. That is where you click to import new project. But before we import, I want to show you other things you can do with your Capcut app. You can equally edit your photo. Let's say you have a photo and it's not sharp, it's not clear, you can click on the photo editor. I mean, you can see a lot you can do on the background there. This is the photo editor here. You can import the particular photo you want to edit, right? Click on edit. Are you seeing it? So you can add text, you can resize this photo. Can you see? Depending on what you want, right? You can resize this photo. I'll leave it at the original. Now you can equally add text to this photo, right? You can add text to your photo. Say you want to add product description, price, whatever. This is where you click to add those text. If you want to add shape, you want to add stickers, add another photo. I know you must have seen some of that kind of picture. You see photo and another photo. So when you click on this, you can add another photo to your already existing photo, if that makes sense. So I'll click on add. You can resize it. Are you seeing it? You can resize it, add it wherever you want to add it. If there is something you want to cut out, I mean, you can do a lot. One thing I want you to take note of is where you see adjust. So on adjust, you can add the shine of this particular photo. Are you seeing? Are you noticing anything? Right? You can add the brightness. Are you seeing it? You can add the exposure, play around with it. The contrast, I usually reduce my contrast this way. Saturation a bit, right? Sharpness. So you can do a lot. When you're done, you just click on export, and that's it. Now let's go to the main reason why we are here, which is editing videos. Now to edit your videos, click on new project, right? Import the video you want to edit. Guys, this is how the lightning in the room where I was editing my video, I mean, let's take it back. This is how dark it is. Are you seeing it? But I have just one artificial source of light, which I just put on at this point. Right now, the first thing you need to do is cutting and trimming. You can see all these excesses in my video. Obviously I am not going to post this video like so. I mean, the video has been recording even before I sat down to start recording. Do you get me? So we are going to cut off these excesses. That is what is known as cutting and trimming. What you need to do is play your video, or you just roll it to the point where you started, you know, recording. So let's see exactly where I started recording. If you are a content creator at this point, let's see it again. You play it exactly there. So this is where I'm going to click it. So once you get to that point, you click on the clip. Click on the clip. Hello, are you guys getting me? Right, just highlight the clip. highlight the video clip beneath, and then you will see all these icons beneath. We have split, volume, animation, blah blah blah. We're interested in clicking on what? Split. Now once you click on split, you will notice the split immediately. Then you highlight or you click the part you want to remove, you want to delete. Once you click on that part, right, you look down again, you will see this delete button. Are you seeing that delete button there? You go ahead and delete it. So we are done with that excesses. If you are a content, can you see it? Another thing you can do is to highlight your clip this way, right, and then you can add volume. Can you see volume? Let's say your volume is not loud, just like that of this video, you can add volume. If you are a content creator, one thing you need, if you are using the pro or the standard version, now I want you guys to know that Capcut has standard and pro version. If you are using the standard version, you can equally enhance your video, the voice quality or the audio quality rather. So you can see where it's written enhance voice, right? You can toggle it like this, just put it on, wait for it to load. If you're not on the standard version, you're using the free version, you can just increase the volume and you are good to go, right? Next thing is to, you know, make this brighter. You can see this is kind of blurry. I see what the original of this video looks like. What are you going to do next? You can make it sharper, and in order to make it sharper, you scroll until you see adjust. Can you see adjust? You want to adjust the sharpness, the different things you can do here. So once you click on adjust, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, all of this, right? So we'll click on brightness. If you want to adjust the brightness, can you see? Don't overdo it, don't overdo it. So my brightness, I'm just increasing to 5. Then contrast, I'm taking it to 6 or thereabout. Are you seeing the changes now? Now saturation, I don't usually do saturation a lot, but if you want to do it, it should be minimal. Can you see? If you do it too much, this is what your video will look like. But if you might not see it, you're taking your video to black and white, so just do it a bit, maybe 3 to 4, it's okay. Then for brilliance, you want to increase the brilliance. If you increase it or you decrease it, this is what it will look like. You increase it. So brilliance, I don't usually do much with it. Then sharpen, I take it all the way to 28. My sharpen sometimes 28 to 30. Do you see what we have here? Then for clarity, you want a clear clips video, I take my clarity to around 50 HCL. If you want to play with this, you can do that. I don't usually, you know, play with this one. Let's go back. And then the next thing I love touching a bit is highlight, right? So you can see highlight here. You can highlight your video like this. Can you see the difference from the original? I see the highlight. So I go up to 10 for highlight. Shadow, I usually go backward. Do you understand? For shadow, I usually go negative. I give it about -4 to -5 shadow, just to add like a contrast to this video. Then I move over to black. Black again, I go negative. I change the black to around 4. Then for this temp, I usually go all the way to 20. This is where the magic is. Can you see the video now? For this temp, I go to 20, -20. If you increase it, this is what you will have. If you go plus, this is what you will have. So I usually go minus. Please, you can watch this video again so that you get everything. Can you see the difference now with the original video? If you are a content creator, one thing you need to master is how to edit your content. Either you are a content creator on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok, Instagram, wherever at all, one thing you need to master is how to edit your content, how to make this content so crisp. We have here, can you see the difference from the first clip? I mean, I'll put it side by side so you can see the difference. Are you guys seeing it? Are you seeing the difference? Are you seeing how this particular clip is clear, brighter, crisp, Now another thing you usually see is text. You can add text. Just go back and then you can see text, right? So you can add text to your videos. You click on add text. These are templates that you can use. There are free templates. The one you usually see on my video, let me show you on a lot. If you are a content creator, one thing you need is free. This particular one, if you are a content creator, so you can just edit this by writing the title of your video. Let me write editing 101. This is the title. Then you can hold it down like this to reduce it. You can increase it, you can move it around. Are you seeing it? So this is editing 101. Another thing you can do with this particular text is to add animations. Can you see animations? You click on it. There are different animations you can add just to spice up this text a bit, but I think the text is okay the way it is. You need, if you are a content creator, one thing you need, if you are a content creator, one thing you need, and pick the one you want. If you are a content creator, one thing you need is, if you are a content creator, different, if you are a content creator, one thing you need, pick one and click on good. Now let's play it and see. If you are a content creator, one thing you need to master is, next thing you can equally add is overlay. You usually see me adding overlay. Let's say you're creating a video like this and you want to add like a screen recording you did on your phone. Do you get me? Let's say I have a screen recording I did on my phone, because I've been getting lots of questions. Only how do you achieve this? It is very simple. Say I have a screen recording on my phone and I want to add that clip. You just come this way and look for where you see, go back, look for where you see overlay. You click on overlay, click on add overlay, then you can import that screen recording. This is one of the best quality backpack you can get. I want to add, and then you click on add. Do you see it? Now you just place this exactly where you want it to be, and split the original clip, highlight it, split it so that you can move it this way, and then your overlay clip you can increase it this way. Are you seeing it? So you can have overlay clip on top of your original clip. That is how to edit your content. Either you are a content creator on YouTube. I don't need this, let me delete it. And then this one I splitted, I'm just going to click back to take it back to the original way it was. Let's do that. I'll just be clicking on that arrow that is pointing backwards, and we are good to go. Can you see? What else can you do here? You can add caption. You click on captions, right? You can generate caption. I think we'll take this step by step. Hope you understand this first step of trimming, adjusting, adding overlay. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to see the next one, I mean you got value from this particular one, let me know in the comments, and please do like this video, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.